Hello and welcome. In this video, we bring to you a countryside shipping container home in Hawke's Bay, New Zealand. This striking 3-bedroom countryside home is built using 6 40-foot shipping containers. The containers are arranged in a U-shaped layout, creating a nice outdoor terrace in the middle. The container home is perfectly placed to fully experience the stunning setting with amazing views of the countryside. Upon entering through the front door, you are greeted by a stylish open-concept living space with a fully equipped kitchen, dining, and living room. The living area has a cozy lounge space defined with a cowhide floor mat and fitted with comfortable sofas for lounging. The sun shines through the lounge area, brightening the space and accentuating the surrounding incredible views. Highlighted with a beautiful set of light fixtures is the dining area. The dining space is equally classy with a big custom dining table with comfortable seats that can sit up to 6 people, ideal for a big family setup or group dining. The gorgeous kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, sufficient custom-made cabinets, and ample lights plus fresh air from the large kitchen window. The central island can be used as a breakfast counter that can comfortably sit two. The open-plan living space has got sliding glass doors that lead onto a sun-drenched deck, perfect for outdoor sitting. From the kitchen area is a cozy family room fitted with comfy couches and a cowhide floor mat. What makes the family room feel much spacious is the glass doors that open onto the terrace, visually doubling the living space. Off the living area is the first bedroom that is furnished with a cozy double bed, bedside lamps, and high-level window for privacy. The master bedroom is a cozy, generously proportioned space with a queen-size double bed, a large glass door that extends the bedroom to the outdoors, and good living space. The 2 bedrooms share a luxurious bathroom that features a large bathtub, a toilet, double vanity with storage, and a huge mirror which amplifies brightness. The transition between indoors and outdoors was paramount in this design by creating a home that is evidenced by the numerous outdoor spaces. The interior of the container spaces was lined with plasterboard and painted white, and none of the corrugated container walls that dominate the exterior are evident anywhere on the inside. These outdoor spaces open up the home to the cool breezes while creating a relaxed and balanced house design. The numerous decks are built purposely for relaxing and entertaining guests. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible on the exterior and are painted black to broadcast the building material that makes the house. The attic space above the containers is cladded with timber, which gives the house a nice contemporary look. The house is fitted with a proper roof above the shipping containers to protect it from weather elements and to also give it the modern charm and character. This amazing house is on the market, listed for over $1.6 million. Would you buy this amazing house for that listing price? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. If you are planning to build your own shipping container home, You don't need to start from scratch. You can get yourself a set of blueprints and drawings by selecting your favorite from over 100 designs on our website sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.